Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the last classes we are discussing the linear equations in one variable. Some equations we are solved in the last classes. So today we are going to discuss some applications problems about the linear equations in one variable. So we are discussing that. So directly we are going to the exercise 3.2. So in this exercise every questions is applicatory questions. So applications questions on linear equations in one variable. So take it as one. First question, if subtract 1 by 2, so subtract 1 by 2 from which number? A number. I don't know what is that number. A number, and multiply by 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 8. What is the number? Okay, I don't know what is that number. That number we have to subtract the 1 by 2. Correct? Subtract 1 by 2 from a number. ಯಾವುದೋ number ಇಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ number ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನು subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 by 2. So ಯಾವುದೋ number first ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. That is let a number be x. Correct? So in that number we have to subtract how much? 1 by 2 from a number. ಯಾವ number ಇಂದ? x ಇಂದ 1 by 2 ನ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that's why we have to write in the equations. Okay, first we have to write the equations. So x minus 1 by 2. So I don't know what is the number. This number we have to subtract it 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 have to subtract it from x. Therefore x minus 1 by 2, not 1 by 2 minus of x. Okay, be careful. X minus 1 by 2. So then multiply. Correct? Multiply by 1 by 2. The result number is multiply by 1 by 2. This number you have to multiply by 1 by 2. Correct? And you get means you have to put equals. Okay, you get. Okay, so these words which indicated as is equal to. So what will you get? 1 by 8. So if you are simplify these numbers, what will you get? Resulting number is 1 by 8. So what is the number? Now we have to calculate the value of x. Shall we calculate? Yes. First I will see this bracket is indicated as into. This is 1 by 2. Okay. So this is in the denominator. So I will send the 2. I will send to the RHS. So here denominator is there. I mean division portions is there. If I send to the RHS, the division it become multiply. So x minus of 1 by 2. Okay. So I will send here 2. 1 as it is. If you are not right means no problems. So if the 2 if it is come here numerator, so by 8. Okay, I will send the 2 to the RHS, from LHS to RHS. 2 it become multiplication. 2 into 1, 2. Understand? So remaining x minus of 1 by 2, it is equal to, you have to simplify. 2 1s are 2 4s are. What is the remaining is 1 by 4. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 2 if you are sent to the RHS, plus 1 by 2. Got it? So next x it is equal to 4 and 2. So denominator are different. So we have to take out the LCM. So what is the LCM here? 4 and 2. So LCM is 4. So we have to find it. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So what is that? 2 1s are 2. 2 into 2. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This LCM we have to apply here. Into 4 into 4. 4 4 get cancelled. What is the remaining here? 1 plus 2 1s are 2. 2s are 2 into 1 2. So what we have to write here? LCM we want to write. So x is equal to 2 plus 1 3 by 4. So what is that number? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 you should subtract it 1 by 2 and multiply 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 8. Shall we check it? See, so 3 by 4 is the number. We have to, this number we have to subtract it to the 1 by 2. So then we have to multiply by 1 by 2. Okay, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 4 and 2 LCM again 4. You should apply the LCM. Into 4 into 4. 4 4 get cancelled. Remaining is 3. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 2 into 1 2. 3 1s are 3. It is into minus into 1 by 2. So 3 minus of 2 will become 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. So what is that? 4 into 2 8. 1 into 1 1 by 8. What is the resulting number is 1 by 8. So this is the 1 by 8. So like this we have to verify it. Understood? This is the verification. This is the solution. Understand? Yes. You have to practice in the form. Okay. So next question. Question number 2. What is the question number 2? Read it carefully. Question number 2. So what is that? The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. Do you know the perimeter of rectangle formula? Yes. I will explain. See, perimeter of one of the swimming pool is there. That swimming pool is in the form of rectangular shape. That perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool, perimeter means sum of the length of the all sides, correct? So this is the swimming pool. So this is in the form of rectangular shape. This is the swimming pool. So this is the rectangular shape. So that perimeter is 154 meter. So what is the perimeter here? 154 meter. So length this side, this side, this side. The sum of these sides is equal to 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Length and breadth, they are not given in a specifically. So they are given. So length is, how it is length? 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. Breadth ginta double. Breadth ina errorashtu matte 2 ginta jasti. 2 more than means addition. More than increases. These word if it indicated as plus. And twice means double. We have to multiply by 2. So this length is depend on breadth. Do you know that the breadth is also don't know and length is also don't know. But length is depend upon breadth. So let breadth be x and length be 2 meter more than by twice of the breadth. So let me write the first given. Let first breadth you have to write. Let breadth be x meter because length is depend upon breadth. Therefore breadth be take it as x. So now length is 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. Twice its breadth. Okay, see, length means we can take it as this is breadth. B, breadth can be represented by letter B, so it is x meter. Length can be represented by letter L. Is equal to 2 meter more than means plus. So what is the more than? Twice of the breadth. Twice of the breadth means 2x. Twice means 2. What is the breadth? Breadth means x. 2x. So more than 2 meter means we have to put plus and more than 2 meter means plus 2. So 2 means x plus 2. This is what? Length and this is breadth. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter of swimming pool. It is equal to 154 meter. Okay. So perimeter of swimming pool. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? What is the rectangular perimeter of rectangle? Yes, 2 into L plus B. This is the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, it is equal to 2 into L plus B. This is the formula of finding the perimeter of the rectangle. So this swimming pool in the form of rectangular. So rectangle shape. Okay, therefore I will put the perimeter rectangular formula. Then it is equal to 154. Now 2 into, we have to substitute the length and breadth value. What is the length here? 2x plus 2. We have to substitute here. 2x plus 2. Okay, then plus this plus like that. And b means breadth. How much? X. It is equal to 154. Now 2 into 2x plus x, 3x, 3x plus 2. It is equal to 154. Now I will send 2 to the RHS, from LHS to RHS. I will send that 2 to the RHS. Okay. So 3x plus 2, 2 and 3x plus 2 in between which sign is there? Into. If it come 2 to the RHS, it become divided. So therefore 154 divided by 2. So now we have to simplify that. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14. So remaining 3x plus 2, it is equal to 77. Now 3x keep in the LHS side, plus 2 to the, you have to send to the RHS, it becomes minus 2 because the plus 2 is there. If it comes means minus 2. Therefore 3x it is equal to 77 minus of 2 is equal to 75. So now 3x is equal to 75, but x is equal to what? X is equal to 75 by 3. Okay, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 1 remaining, 3 5s are 15. Therefore, x is equal to what? 25 meter. Means breadth is equal to x is equal to 25 meter. Length, I want length also. Length how much? 2x plus 2. Correct? So 2x plus 2. It is equal to 2 into x means 25 plus 2. So 25 plus 25 into 2, 50. 50 plus 2, 52 meter. So this is length. Length is 52 meter. Breadth is 25 meter. Understand? So like this, we have to solve these kinds of problems. Understand, students? Very simple questions. Okay? Be careful and read carefully questions. So next. Next question number. Third questions you have to solve in your home, because third question and second question as it is there. Okay, you have to solve in your home. Question number 4, I will go to the question number 4. Sum of the two numbers is 95. I don't know what is that number, but you have to take any two numbers. That sum means you should add to that number. The sum it become 95. So one number, if one number exceeds the other by 15. One number ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 15 number ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ I don't know what is that. You should take x. Second number 15 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus 15. Correct? Therefore let one number be x and other number is x plus 15. Correct? Because of if one number is exceeds means ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, it is more than, exceeds the other by 15. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಗಿಂತ 15 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು other number be x plus 15. First number is x and second number is x plus 15. For example, first number is 20 and second number is 35 because 15 more than first number. That's why. Next, the sum is how much? The sum of these two numbers is become 95. Therefore, what is the number? X plus 15. So these two numbers, if you add these numbers, what will you get? 95. So now x plus x, 2x plus 15, it is equal to 95. So now 2x I will keep on the LHS side. So 95. So plus 15, if it comes minus 15. Therefore 2x it is equal to 95 minus of 15, it becomes 80. Okay. Next, x it is equal to 80 by 2. So x is equal to 2 1s are 2 4s are 40. So one number is 40, other number is one number b x is equal to 40, other number x plus 50, it is equal to 40 plus 15, it is equal to 55. 40 plus 15 is equal to 55. If you add these two numbers, what will you get? 40 and 55. How much? 95. See, therefore the sum of these two numbers is 95. So one number is 40, another number is 55. Understand? So very simple. So next question number 5. So what is the question number 5? Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, differ means difference. Okay, it means we have to subtract of these two numbers. What are the numbers? But I don't know what is that number, but the two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. ಯಾವುದೋ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವೆರಡರ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 5:3. So for example, 25 and 15 is there. Okay, 25 and 15, this is the number, the ratio is 5 5s are 5 3s are. So this is the ratio. So I don't know what is these numbers, they are not given, but they are given the ratio. This ratio we should multiply by the x. Okay, therefore the two numbers, the ratios of two numbers is how much? 5:7. So if you multiply that 5x and into x, we should multiply the x, 5x and 7x. Okay, therefore the one number is 5x and another number is 7x. Okay, so these are the two numbers. So the differ by how much? If they are differ by 18, if you have subtracted these two numbers, you will get 18. Therefore, you have to subtract it. 7x minus of 5x, it is equal to 18. So now we have to find out the x and we have to find the first number and second number. Okay. Now I will subtract 7x minus of 5x, it become 2x is equal to 18. 7 minus of 2, 5 is equal to 2, 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 2. So x is equal to 2 ones are 2 nines are. So x is equal to 9. It is not a number. Now you have to find the number. So one number is 5x. It is equal to 5 into 9. 9 5s are 45. And other number is 7x. 7x is equal to 7 into what is the x? 9. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. Correct? 5 is to number or in the ratio. If they are 5 is to 3. No, this number. Okay, sorry. This is 5 is to 3. So it becomes 3. So it is 3x. Sorry. This is also 3x. And 5 minus of 3. So 7 minus of 3 is 5. This is 5. 5 minus of 3 is 2. 2x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 9. This is same. But here 5x minus of 3x is equal to 2x. Sorry, this ratio is mistake. Here two numbers are in the ratio 5 is to 3. Okay, I written 5 is to 7. Sorry, 5 is to 3. So 5x and 3x, the differ of these two numbers will become 18. 5x minus of 3x is equal to 2x is equal to 18. So therefore x is equal to 9. So therefore one number is 5x. So this is correct. And 2x. So 2 nines are 18. Right? Sorry, 3 nines. 3x. 3 nines are 27. So if you have subtract these two numbers, what will you get? 18. So shall we check it? 5 minus 7 is not possible. 50 minus 7 it become 8. Here 3 minus 2 is 1. So 18. Understand? So like this you have to solve it. So first they are given in the ratio. Any ratio if they are given, you have to multiply any one of the letter. X, Y, A, B, any one of the unknown value you have to multiply that. Okay. Now the 1 is the first number and second part is second number. So therefore 5x is the first number, second number is 3x. If your differ is 18, the x value you have to calculate it and substitute the x value, then you have to find out the numbers. Understood? So next, I will go to the question number 7. Sixth one you have to do in a row. Okay. Sixth as it is there. Okay, you have to solve in the row. I will go to the question number 7th one. So what is the 7th one? The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. What do you mean about consecutive numbers? Do you know the consecutive number? Can you heard that word? Yes, consecutive means continuous. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. For example, 10. If you are taking the first number is 10, what is the next number? 11. Other next number? 12, 13, 14. These numbers are called as consecutive numbers. Okay. So what they are asking, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 88. I don't know what are the multiples of 8. 3 multiples of 8 you have to take out. If you add these 3 multiples of 8, it becomes 888. What are the multiples of 8? Yes, 8, 16, 24 and 32 and so on. Correct? If you take any 3 consecutive 8 multiples of 8. See, I will take these 3 multiples of 8. So what will you get? 16 plus 24 plus of 32. What is the sum here? 20, 30, 50, 50 on 10, 60, 60, 72. Correct? This sum is 72. But which, I don't know, it is infinite number of multiples of 8 is we will get it. Correct? But you have to take out the any 3 multiples of 8. Then if you add these three number, you will get 888. I want 888. That's why you have to find out the 3 multiples of 8. So how you are taking the 3 multiples of 8? See, 8, 16 and 24 is there, no? So first number is x. What is the difference of 8 and 16? Is 8. 16 and 8 is 8. Correct? So first number will be x. I will take. Second number, second multiples is, this is x. What we are add to the 8 to 16? 8 plus 8. 8 ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 16 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 8ಕ್ಕೆ 8 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 6 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ therefore first number is x. x ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 8 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ second multiple of 8. So next third number. So this is the 8 and plus 8. From 8 to 24. 24 how you are getting from 8? 24 how you are getting from 8. So if you are 8 to 2 times of 8 you should add it. So 8 plus 8 plus 8, 2 times of adding 8 plus 8, 16. If you are add 8 to the 16, then you will get the 24. Therefore x plus 16. So therefore, so first multiple is x, second multiple is x plus 8, and third multiple is x plus 16. If you are adding these two numbers, you will get 888, triple 8. Correct? Understood how you are taking the multiples of 8? Yes. So now let me write it. Let the first multiple of 8 be x. Second multiple of 8 be x plus 8. Third multiple of 8 be x plus 16. So if you are adding these multiple of 8, what will you get? 888. Therefore you should add it. x plus 8 plus x plus 16. x plus 8 and x plus 16. I will add it. x plus 8 and x plus 16. I will do it addition. It is equal to 888. So we should x plus x. What will you get? 3x. 8 plus 16 or 16 plus of 8, it is equal to 24. It is equal to 888. Now I will keep on the 3x in the LHS side. It is equal to 888 minus, if you are sent to the 24, it becomes minus 24. 3x it is equal to 884 minus of 24. 8 minus of 4 it becomes 4. 8 minus of 2 is 6 and 8 as it is 864. So now I want the x value. X is equal to 864 divided by 3. So next 3 ones are 3 2s are 6. Remaining 2 26. 3 8s are 24. Remaining 2 3 8s are 24. Therefore x is equal to 288. So first multiple is x is equal to 288. What is the second multiple? X plus 8. That means 288 plus of 8, it is equal to 296. And third multiple, what we get? 2x plus 16. X is 288 plus 16. It is equal to 304. So if you are adding these number, what will you get? 888, 288, 296 and 304. These numbers are a multiple of 8. If you are adding these numbers, you will get 888. Let us check it. So 288, 296 and 304. Okay. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus of 8, 18. Carry 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18, 8. Carry again 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 880. Understood? So what are the number? 288, 296 and 304. These are the multiple of 8. If you are adding these two numbers, what will you get? 888. Understand? Very simple questions. Like this you have to solve it. 8th question as it is there. Question number 7 like that. I will go to the question number 9. So last question. 9th question. The age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. Rahul and Harun, two boys are there. Or the ratio, their ratios is in the 5:7. If it is come the ratio, we should multiply x on 5 and 7. Okay, first. That 4 years later, 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 4 ವರ್ಷ for example ಈಗ Rahul have 10 years. Now after 4 years 10 ವರ್ಷ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಈಗ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಇದೆ. After 4 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 14 years ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. After 4 years he got 14 years. But Rahul age I don't know. Specifically I don't know. Rahul and Harun age I don't know. But are in the ratio they are given 5:7. This ratio you should take it as a ratio. You should consider it, and 4 years later the sum of their ages be how much? 56 years. What are the present ages? Before going there, see students, I will make one table. See what is table? This is name. This is This is present age after 4 years. After 4 years. Okay. Now this is Rahul and this is Harun. Okay. First we have to make these kinds of tables. So very simple. See, what is the ratio? Rahul and Harun ratio. What is the age of Harun? 5:7. Right? 5:7. Now the ratio they are given 5 and 7. So Rahul age is 5 and Harun age is 7. Ratio. What is the it is not an exact age. So you should multiply present ages. If you want this, you should multiply this x and x. What will you get? 5 into x 5x, 7 into x 7x. Okay. Now after 4 years, so the age will be increases of 4 years. After 4 years, therefore 5x plus 4. Correct. This is 7x plus 4. If the Rahul age is 10 years, correct. After 4 years, what will become? 14 years. How you will get 14 from x? 10. So you should add to the 4 to the 10. You will get the 14. Like that. So Rahul age is 5x. So after 4 years, you should add it. Correct. Before, if they are taking before ages, they are subtracted minus 4. Okay. That's it. So next. Now, what is the next one? 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Okay, after 4 years age, if we are adding these their ages, it becomes 56. Therefore, 5x plus 4. So age of after 4 years, the sum of Rahul and Harun age will be 56 years. Okay, students. Yes. After 4 years, what is the Rahul age? After 4 years, 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4. This is the Rahul age. And what is the Harun age after 4 years? 7x plus 4. 7x plus 4. So now these Rahul age and Harun's age, what we have to do? Sum. That's why plus will be means is equal to 56 years. Okay. Now we should add it. 5x plus 7x, it becomes 12x because of here plus is there. That's why directly I will add it. Okay. So 5x plus 7x is equal to 12x. 4 plus 4 it becomes 8. It is equal to 56. Therefore 12x it is equal to 56. Plus 8 if it is means minus 8. So 12x it is equal to 48. So 12 ones are. So 12 you have to send here. X is equal to 48 upon 12. 12 ones are 12. 4s are. Therefore x is equal to what? 4. X is equal to 4. Now we have to find the what we have to calculate? Find the present ages. What is the present ages here? Rahul present ages is 5x. Okay. Present age. Present age. Rahul. Okay. It is equal to 5x. It is equal to 5 into 4. 4 5s are 20 years. 20 years age of Rahul. Like that Harun. It is equal to 7x. It is equal to, so 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 years. Understood? See the sum of present age. This is the present age of Rahul and this is the present age of Harun. So if we are adding these two numbers, 28 plus 20, 48. So present ages is 48. After 8 years, sorry, 4 years. After 4 years, how much? This is after 4 years. What is the age of Rahul after 4 years? Present age is 20. After 4 years? Yes, 24. Harun present age is 28. After 4 years? Yes, 32. If you are adding these two numbers, you will get 56. Can 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5. Understood? So very simple these kinds of questions. So age related questions is most important to examination. Understand, students? So like this you have to solve it. Okay? Yes, in the remaining questions in this exercise we have to discuss in the next classes. Okay, students? Thank you.